Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to withdraw money from Metamask to our bank account. So for that, you will have to involve one of the exchanges out there. It can be Binance, KuCoin or any other exchange of your choice because you cannot send money directly from your Metamask account to any bank account. So for that, we will take example of Binance in this video. And let's open up Binance. And after opening up Binance, you will have to go to your wallet section and click on fiat and spot wallet. What we are going to do is actually send money from our MetaMask to Binance and from Binance to our bank account. Suppose you have BNB on your MetaMask, so we will just click on deposit right beside BNB on Binance and then select the network, which is Binance Smart Chain, and copy the address. After that, we will go to MetaMask and here we will click on send and paste the address over here, and after that click on next after typing the amount that you want to send, and you will be able to receive this BNB into your Binance account. Then make sure that you convert this BNB into USDT by going on to this section called trade. Here you can either convert it directly to USDT or you can sell BNB for USDT, as it would be better while going B2B trade for our bank transfer. So after converting your BNB to USDT, go to your wallet, then click on transfer over here because we want to transfer our USDT from fiat or spot wallet to our funding wallet, because it is quite necessary for us to do the transaction or P2P transaction in order to receive money in our bank account. We will select USDT over here, then type the amount that you want to send and click on confirm. This way you will be able to transfer this money from your fiat and spot wallet to your funding wallet. After that, just click on buy crypto over here and click on P2P trading. We are not actually buying crypto, it's just written there. So we will just select sell over here, and then suppose you have Bank of America account and you want to send it to Bank of America, we will select Bank of America in payments over here. And after that, we will see all the people who will be buying our USDT and will deposit the US dollar in our Bank of America account. Choose the person wisely and make sure that you choose someone who has higher completion rate. Suppose we want to choose this person, so we will just click on sell USDT. After that, we will just type the amount that we want to sell, and after that click on set my payment method. Here you will see this option of Bank of America. Just click on it, and after that you will need to provide the bank details of your Bank of America account in order to receive the money in your bank account. Just provide all the details, and after that just click on sell USDT and the amount will be received in your bank account. And that's how you guys can do it. So that's pretty much it for this video. I hope this video was helpful. If it is, like it and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.